He just takes some stuff that has weed in the title, and then he's like, there's no weed in it. It's Anthony Scott and
Larry Adams.
all right, we're talking about Seaweed Bliss. Seaweed Bliss is Larry's company, and it's okay, I can edit. I'm a client of Larry's, and he sells Seaweed Bliss. I like the green sea moss gel. And what do we want to talk about when it comes to Seaweed Bliss? What is it? Why do we take it? Let's go.
It gives you 92 to 102 minerals that the body needs: a healthy heart, healthy thyroid, strength your bones, helps your libido, helps your digestive system, cancer cells, diabetes, high cholesterol, helps with acne, psoriasis, wrinkles, gives you a boost of energy, removes mucus from your body.
I think the journey here with Seaweed Bliss is you had to become your own testimonial. Why did you start taking it?
Well, I started taking sea moss gel because I have sarcoidosis of the lungs, which is a respiratory disease. And I was having issues with my breathing, issues with my lymph nodes swelling up, shortness of breath. So I was told about this product, and I started buying it. I started using it, and it started giving me a boost of energy, and it helped me get off of prednisone. I stopped taking prednisone. I was able to go back to working out and feel a whole lot better, you know. So right now my sarcoidosis is not active and I feel amazing. So I thought I would help people.
So some of the things that I see you doing right now, you got a handful, if not more, clients that come to you every month. I guess, what are your clients saying? Because I'll tell you what I'm saying. The green sea moss gel for me, because I like to stay active in the gym. Every time I get that new jar from you, the first time I take the sea moss gel, what ends up happening is I feel immediately more clear mental. So it eliminates mental fog and that haziness that you might get. Like, in other words, you've probably felt like this if you've ate too much sugar. I feel immediately like the mental clarity and a little bit of an energy boost. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's like drinking a lot of coffee or having an energy drink, but it's a cleaner energy, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm saying. But what have other customers said to you?
Well, I have a 75-year-old customer right now, and she was diabetic and she was on heart medicine. Her doctor told her to stop taking that stuff. She was consuming the sea moss, helped lower her diabetes levels, you know, so she's doing a whole lot better. I get a lot of different reviews on there. I have one guy that say he stopped drinking energy drinks. He stopped eating junk food and stuff as well. So it gives him a boost of energy, makes you feel good. You know, it changes your mood. You know what I mean? It's really great, like really, really great. And kids can have it too.
What are you doing to flavor it, or do you offer flavors? Or
Yes, I do.
okay.
So I have different flavors. I have pineapple, watermelon, triple berry, which is blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry. The latest and the greatest right now is ginger, turmeric, purple sea moss.
Taste, texture, that don't bother me, so I just scoop it and go. I take 3 scoops out of the jar of the green seaweed moss gel, and I really like that. But what are your customers saying on the flavors? Does it still taste like seaweed, or is it gross? Like, what are they?
They love it. They blend it up. They put it in their smoothie at times. Sometimes they just take it, you know, straight from the jar, from the spoon.
That's my method.
It gets in your blood way much quicker, and you taste it and you get that rush. You know, you feel real good. You know, you feel
That's real.
alive.
It gives you that energy jolt.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah, it's really good. I love it. I definitely love it. I take it every day. You know, right before I go to work out.
Yeah, and for me, I like taking it before going to the gym. And I guess, what's anything else you got to say about Seaweed Bliss? Just check it out, try it. I mean, what you get? I would say seriously try it, because I was on the fence with it, because I was like, man, I don't really know this guy. Like, you know, he just takes some stuff that has weed in the title, and then he's like, there's no weed in it.
No weed in it, gluten free. You know, super natural. Man, boost your health with sea moss gel. You won't go wrong. You definitely will change your diet. You'll be able to go 12 to 16 hours all day long. You won't get no crash or anything like that. You know, you'll feel absolutely great.
Man, that's awesome. That's it. I think that's it.
That's it.